7 points that you shared us in the email, right?
Yeah, so I just wanted to know, okay, why how it happens, right? What was the root cause and how do you actually resolve it? Would that be possible?
Right. For some of the problems, it is solved by Taufik here, and some of them are solved by Tris. So for uh
I think in the OneDrive link I saw, I'm not sure whether it's your team that has uploaded some kind of Excel logs that record some of the issues, right? So maybe you can use that Excel, okay, just to to include all these hide items, and you just put in the Excel, okay, what was the root cause and how do you resolve? Is that okay?
all right, so I think we can document it first before sharing it to you, because right now Tris is currently not available, but we can probably document it and ask him for the resolvement. We can document it and give it to you at a later date.
Okay, sure. That's good. Okay. All right. I think as per our discussion, yeah, about the Excel's um readings, right? So we are using RPA to read the data from the Excels, right? And as per what I understand is that for now we will each time when we uploaded the Excel, okay, to the mailbox, we will have to actually run the RPA to read the data, right? Okay. Right now it's running manually, right? Each time we upload, we have to run the RPA to read the data, the Excel data to extract it from there. Okay. So I think we would want to make it like to set it up to run it automatically in background. Okay. So can we do that?
Uh, can you repeat the question? What do you want to automatically do?
Okay, so right now the Excel, right? The Excel, each time when for GRN and the export documents, okay, the data after this, the OCR capture the data, they will try to cross match with the data coming from the Excels, right? And the Excels is actually the data from the Excel is actually getting from the RPA, right? Is that correct?
Right.
And last week, I think Chris told me that before each time when we need to grab the data from Excel, we have to like go into the Tungsten RPA, okay, to run the RPA jobs, right, manually.
All right.
Okay. And he told us that for the moment we have to run it manually. Okay. There's no like a task scheduler we have set to run automatically in the background, right? Yeah. So I was wondering that, okay, because right now, tomorrow we'll be giving trainings to the Apacs users. After that, they will conduct UAT. So I don't think it is very uh, suitable in sense that each time when the user upload the Excels to the mailbox, and then we have to go into the server, open the RPM module and run it manually, right?
Yeah. So you want to make the process automatic, right? For this.
Yeah, 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 for Excel.
Right. We will look into it, but we cannot give you the answers now, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe I want to add some information. Yeah, actually in RPA we can set like schedule, so the robot can run, yeah, maybe daily or in a minute. We can set it. So you don't need to run it manually in production. We can set it as a schedule.
Okay, so that one we will need to set it in the RPA, right? Not from the Tungsten Designer screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. 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 We set it daily. Can we make it to run it daily now first?
Sorry. We can it run daily.
Or maybe you can show me where to configure so I can change it
Uh,
whenever the user feels like daily
okay.
is
Actually, the configuration in management console in RPA, I need to maybe Taufik.
or maybe I remote to the server and
Oh, okay,
I share screen.
okay, okay.
Give me a moment.
While we're on it, Ian, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Is the SIT sign off going on currently?
On the SIT, for our side, digital H team, we have complete already. Okay, the SIT.
All right.
And tomorrow, when we get to meet with the Apacs teams, we will actually hand over our SIT result to them. And then they will check, and then they might, for their IT staff, their internal IT staff might conduct another SIT test by themselves, and just to kind of like cross matching whether our results is the same or not. Okay, then if the SIT is good, okay, everything is good, there's no more issues, then we will only proceed to UAT.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screens. Okay, so okay, so this is our this is the RPA, right? So, yeah. Okay, so can you just let me know where I could configure to run it automatically?
Okay. Yeah, I think you can open the management console first from the browser.
From browser.
Yeah. Okay. You can open new tab. This is
Okay.
Korea, right? Okay. You can type localhost slash localhost
This localhost.
localhost the what is it? This one. I type in chat.
Okay.
Okay, you can copy my chat.
Oh, okay. Fine. Let me see. Okay.
Okay, you can
Oh, this one. Okay.
schedule
So I go to this
default project.
project.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'll set it just every day. Run it to this one, it won't affect that much, right? Whether I set a media max only.
Yeah.
Job time out. 10 minutes.
Yeah, I mean it's okay.
10 minutes is okay, right? Yeah. This one, pre-processing.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you don't need to Really.
Okay, so this one,
Yeah.
non-production.
Non-production.
Production. Okay.
Uh, Robotnya di mana? Cluster production apa? Belum upload ke ini. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, from Design Studio, you need to upload it to Management Console, so it can be listed in this platform. Can we go back to the Design Studio?
Designer view.
Okay. Yeah,
This one.
yes, this one. Yeah, we need to upload this robot first.
Oh, you need to upload this one first. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah. You can click right click on the
this one, right click, robot.
yes. Upload. Yes. Okay.
This
Okay.
proceed.
Upload. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go back here.
Yes.
So
Okay. Jobs and schedule tab.
job
We
and
can
schedule.
yeah.
So we have
Okay.
add
Yeah, a single robot. We click
single row. Okay.
single robot. Yeah.
Excellent. This one. Is it this one? Correct. Send data loading. Maybe it should be this one. X. Save. And this one, do we need to configure anything or? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, good. Okay, already is part. Let me just create. Okay, so this one I'll redo again. I think. So set it to productions. So advanced, we don't need to set anything. Jobs. Robot. This one. This one. That should be it, right? Right. So this one we are currently running for the developments, right? So later on, when we have two environments, one for productions and one for the developments, so we have to create another one for productions, or there will be both of them will be actually using the same. Learn,
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
learn
Sorry.
code. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So we just created the scheduler, okay, for the
Okay.
Excel extractions. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just wondering, right? So later on,
Mhm.
because we will be having two environments, right? One is for the productions, one is for the
Okay.
developments. Okay.
Okay.
So later on, do we need to create another one for their productions, or both of these environment you'll be utilizing the same robots?
Um. Sorry, let me discuss with your team.
Oh, okay.
Jadi maksudnya gimana sih? Kan dia yeah, yeah. I think we need to create another robot specifically for production purpose.
Okay.
I believe this robot running from two folder that we create for development. If we want to running in production, I think we need to remapping the folder, another things for production.
Okay. Okay. So, does the customers need to subscribe? Okay, additional robot.
No. The license is for concurrent robot. So in one time, there is only one robot can running at the same time.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So yeah, if you create the production robot, I think it's okay.
Okay, so both they be utilizing one same robot, same license. Okay, okay. So I think RPA is fine since we are utilizing the same license. Okay, how about the total agility? Okay, because we have two environment. Okay, so do we that both of them should be utilizing the same license also, right?
Okay.
Is that correct? Or they need to actually subscribe separate license, one for developments and one for productions?
Maybe Khalif. Khalif?
Hello, yes.
Yeah,
Hi,
can
Khalif.
you answer?
I'm just wondering, right? Okay, because later on, they will have two environments. One is productions and one is development. Okay, and do they need another separate license for separate environments, or can they both of the environment utilize same license for total agility?
Uh, can you repeat the question?
Okay, so later on, okay, because Apex will be creating two environments for them. One is productions and one is development. Okay.
Okay.
So right now we are helping them to actually requesting the license for the production environment. So if let's say we have helped them to deploy the productions license, right? Okay. Can the development environment use the same production license, or they will need to subscribe separate license?
I'm pretty sure you don't need to buy a separate license for it, but I have to make sure.
Okay, wait. Sorry, joined late. Because I just finished another call. So for the license, right? I remember when Tungsten gave us that is always comes in pair in terms of the license for total agility and also the RPA. There'll be one license for development or test and another license for production. So in this case, in one single server, can we only install one license copy, or we can have two two license code inside?
Wait, I'm currently asking. The question should be soon. Yes. If you buy production, you also get dev development license.
Okay, so if let's say they have separate development license, okay, so when they log in, okay, so the URL should be different, right? One is development and one is productions. So is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. But installing on the same exact server.
It should be on 2 different servers.
Two different servers. Okay, so meaning one servers cannot have two environments.
One server can have 2 environment if you use virtual machine. Hello?
So when the user log in, okay, so when they check from the system settings, the license part, they should able to see two different license informations, right?
If you're talking about tracking, you can only check one in one environment basically. So it doesn't show both, but it has to be 2 different environments basically. But if if we're talking about the server wise, we can have a virtual machine inside the server. So it possible one server can have 2 environments.
And what currently the license we deploy for this one is the development, right? The productions one we still haven't received yet, right?
Wait, one
Oh,
moment. Yeah, I need to check because we have actually placed it for production environment. Okay, one moment. Yeah, let me double confirm. The one that I sent over is which one? Because I received 3 emails on the license.
Because I'm afraid we are currently utilizing their productions one.
Okay, maybe let me share my screen.
Okay.
And also I may need PTPNM team to advise. So these are the 2 license zip file that I sent to Khalif. So the first zip file that is this license text document. And if I see here, it seems like it is a production license because over here it says 1. And for
right.
non-production, it is giving us unlimited, right? Then on the second license file, zip file, this is all the license file that we have. And which license file should I be referring to? Because there's a lot of license file over here. I think it should be this one, right?
Uh, right. Can I have Mr. Kamal for advice?
So this is actually the non-production one. So if you were to use this one, which means we are actually already having the production license.
Okay, I believe this one is for RPA, right? This one is for
Okay, so
RPA,
if
and
this is
this
for
one,
RPA.
yeah, yeah, it has production license.
Okay. So
Mm.
when it says COFAX RPA means it is actually for RPA. Then how about the
Correct.
total agility license? Because previously I only sent two files, right? Okay, so this was the other file that I opened just now, but it is also RPA license.
Okay. Uh, how about the PDF files?
PDF, this one?
Yes, yes. Okay. This one is for total agility.
Oh, so this one is for total agility. So actually over here,
Yeah.
we also have the production license key already, right? This is also the production license.
Yeah, it has production license. You can scroll down. Okay,
So
you
here we
can
have the
see
test
on the,
license.
yes.
So right now we are actually deploying this test license into the server, right?
Yeah,
I'm not
based on the
sure.
serial number lah.
Okay.
C31520 lah. It seems to be that case lah.
Okay, so if that's the case, which means before go live, we need to update the license into the actual production license key code lah. We already have the license.
So Mr. Kamal, so we just update it, or we need to set up another environment so that it will distinguish two different environment, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we can have two instance data in same server. Sorry. So we need to server for different environment.
Okay, but right now, if you're only having one server, you're saying that essentially we can only use one license file. So which means after production, even though we have set up another, we duplicate another different process for the testing or the development purposes, but we will still be tapping on the production license file when we are doing the testing, right? If we do not have another server instance.
I'm not sure. Sorry. Maybe Khalif or Trace can clarify about this.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Can you repeat the question, Aiwa?
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
So Ian is asking, first of all, right now for the KTA in the server right now we are deploying the test license. Okay. So after the go live, basically we need to apply the production license. Is it just updating the license file itself? That is the first question. Or is there anything that we need to do?
Yeah. Usually we just to input the serial number, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we just input there. If any issue, we can call the support, right? Tungsten support.
Mhm.
Usually we just only input the serial number
Okay.
only. Mhm.
Okay. So since there's only one total agility instance where we can enter just one license key. So the moment when we have already put in the production license, remember last time we said we need to duplicate another business process for the testing or for the test environment after go live? Because in the event, if let's say there's any issue or any changes or minor enhancement that they need to do, then they are not supposed to touch directly on the production process, but there will be another so-called the test process that we will duplicate for them, right? That's why we were actually creating two database instance. We were creating two different source inbox and all those folders.
Yeah. What's the server? Is the same server or
Same
if
server.
we? Sorry, I'm
So
not here.
so the test and the production will be residing on the same server.
All right. Yeah, I think for the standard development and production is separate environment, right? But in this case, we can just only one server, right, for production and development. So if the product after go live, let's say they are need to test for the another request or change request, right? Maybe we can switch for the development again in maybe in weekend or something like that.
Okay. But then if let's say we do not want to switch, so basically even on the testing itself, on the testing process, it will be taking the production license volume, right?
Sure. Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Okay. So Ian, you have any?
Okay, so meaning once we deploy the production license, then if they want to do any testings, is either we change the license back to the test license, or we need another servers to set up another environments, right? Like
Yes, or they will just be utilizing their production license only, lor. Because if they are not testing huge volume, then I don't see there's a issue, lah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Chris, since you're here, I just want to confirm, right? So, the RPA, okay, we will be just having one RPA license, right? It will be used for both productions and developments, right?
Yeah. Maybe Kamal or Taufik can confirm that. Actually, if RPA, I think is not issue, right? Kamal, Taufik, for the license. Yeah, usually in the RPA, I think we only switch the like tab, right? Like button for the production or for the development.
Okay, understood. Okay. Alright. Okay, if that's the case, let me see.
Yeah, for maybe Ian for the pending item in the last email, it's
Yeah,
not
so
any issue, right?
I just after I received your email response, I've did a test already. So far, I think everything has been resolved. Okay. From our side, we will keep on monitor and see if any new issues arise. Okay. So I think before Iha and Tris both you joins, right? So I think I did talk with Khalif and Kamal. Okay. So just wanted to, your team to prepare, let's say a simple Excel file, okay, to list all the items that we highlighted and what was the root cause of each of these items and how did your team resolve that. Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all from my side as well. I heard anything from you?
Oh, I think so far, Ian managed to complete and conclude the SIT. And we are also proceeding with the train-the-trainer training for Apacs team tomorrow morning. Let's see their feedback in terms of the whole implementation. Hopefully, there's not much of a feedback or surprises during the training tomorrow. If not, if everything goes well tomorrow, then Apacs team will proceed with the UAT testing either on Friday or starting next week, Monday. Okay, so just be prepared in the event if let's say there's any issue happening during the UAT testing. Of course, Ian will provide the first level support first. But if in any there's anything that we need to escalate to your team, then we will actually raise it to your team as well. So I will create a UAT issue log, and same thing I will put into OneDrive so that everybody will actually share the common issue logs and do all the necessary updates in the issue log.
All right. Okay then. Understood.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
so I have nothing else to discuss for today. Thank you very much. As of now, I think project still smooth and went well. Although we have some hiccups initially during the SIT testing. But thank you for PTPNM team support and also the fast response for most of the case. And we managed to actually complete the SIT in time lah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you, Ayuwa. Thank you, Ian.
thank you.
Thank you, Valerie. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. Okay, that one, I'll try to reply to Pak Haji later today. I saw his email already, so I'll try to reply and see what I can reply. Okay, thanks.
Okay.